Hi, I'm Misty Masiello, welcoming you to this phenomenal showstopper of a mountain retreat. Today I'm showing you 21 Ebby Ridge and the exclusive neighborhood Butler Mountain Estates. Natural landscaping and wildlife surround you in this quiet gated community. City close and country quiet, this custom masterpiece on nearly 5 acres is located just minutes away in Asheville, North Carolina's highly desirable Fairview community. From the moment you drive up the long, level driveway, all the luxurious amenities appear and impress. The expansive wraparound porch welcomes you as soon as you arrive. Before we walk into this magnificent home, I want to show you what makes this property uniquely special. Mountain range views are spectacular, but having peaceful, multiple mountain range views like this house has is what separates it from the pack. The owner's influence during the design and construction process showcases many years of their professional experience in both construction and interior design, creating a home to their exacting specifications and precise detailing. Some of the exquisite features include solid ash wood floors with custom cabinet, doors and trim throughout, as one would expect to see in a home of this caliber. Ideal for family living and endless entertaining, nearly 6,500 square feet and 10-foot ceilings. This magnificent home features 4 full-bedroom ensuites, 3 fireplaces, and many more niche spaces and inspiring features. The family room is exceptionally cozy with vaulted wood-paneled ceilings, a stacked stone fireplace, French doors to the covered veranda, creating a warm and inviting space to gather. We also have an extremely spacious, well-equipped kitchen with breakfast bar, which seats 4 comfortably, and the most enviable Butler's pantry adjacent. The Butler's pantry will also lead you outside to the covered grilling porch and sitting area. By far, my favorite space in this whole house is the morning room. The massive view windows bring in tons of natural light, and you'll feel like you're sitting on top of the world. On the main level, you'll find the owner's wing cleverly located away from the main parts of the house. When you wake up every morning, the first thing you'll see is that outrageous view. This ensuite also features a jet-soaking tub and dual vanities. At the opposite end of the main level is another privately located bedroom with ensuite, which is open to the veranda, and of course the jaw-dropping views. Why don't you follow me up to the upper level, where you're going to be just as impressed. This is where you'll find 2 more very large bedrooms with full bath ensuite. There's also a bonus room providing wonderful flexible living space. My owners are currently enjoying it as their billiards room. Wait until you see this next room, a huge recreational space. The beauty of this area is that it's perfect for a home theater, a private gym, or even an artist's studio. Exceptional moments are created sitting on this beautiful veranda where you can just watch the views. Another unique feature living in Butler Mountain Estates gives you is that it offers miles of private, very walkable roads inside the gates where you'll meet your neighbors and their furry family members as they wind their way up to the Butler Mountain Bald. A 5-acre recreational retreat at the very top of the mountain offers panoramic views, walking trails, a fire pit, and picnic table, all inviting you to gather with family and friends where you'll feel like you can reach up and touch the stars.